What's any better than a giant chewy M&M cookie? If you're a fan of M&Ms, you'll love this recipe. With just a few ingredients and a few minutes, you can have these in the oven in no time. For this recipe, you'll use a 10-ounce bag of M&Ms. I'm using a Valentine mix, but you can use any M&Ms you like. To a mixing bowl, add 2 sticks of softened unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 1/4 cups packed brown sugar, and 2 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Cream together until light and fluffy. You can mix this by hand, but today I'm using my cordless KitchenAid hand mixer. If you'd like to know more, watch my video for my cordless KitchenAid hand mixer review. Next, add 2 large eggs. Blend together until you notice the texture begin to change. You'll be able to see here in just a minute how that looks. As soon as you see the batter begin to thicken, you'll know you've mixed it enough. Add 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, and when I measured that on a scale, it's about 392 grams. Add 1/4 cup cornstarch, around 30 grams, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients in just until blended. I like the low speed on the KitchenAid hand mixer. It seems to be a true low speed and it's not too messy. Switch over to a spoon or spatula and we'll make sure the last little bit of flour is mixed in. And now for the final step of mixing, we'll gently stir in our M&Ms. Save a few extra M&Ms to press into the tops of the cookies before baking. This is a really good recipe to use for party favors, for Valentine parties, birthdays, Christmas cookies, Halloween cookies. You can use any M&Ms you want. I've also made these using peanut M&Ms and they're really good. This batch makes 12 large 4-ounce cookies. Press a few extra M&Ms into the tops and you're ready to bake. These cookies spread quite a bit while they bake, so you might want to try starting out with 4 cookies per sheet. You may be able to bake 6 at one time. It all just depends on the size of your cookie sheet. Bake in a preheated 380-degree oven for around 15 minutes. Your cookies will be lightly browned around the edge and still look just a little bit gooey in the middle. Allow to cool and enjoy. I really love the way these cookies stay nice and chewy in the middle. Be sure to let me know if you try this recipe. If you're looking for more good Valentine recipes, watch my video for Loretta Lynn's Raspberry Snow Bars, French Butter Cookies, Hershey's Honey Bear Brownies, and Strawberry Buttermilk Biscuits. Be sure to visit my website at doublestopbakeshop.com for these recipes and many more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.